try a little bit smaller piece. Like I said, this is the smallest hook I own. I don't know how to get anything smaller. All right. Oh, we almost had him. Okay, finally. Species number 2. A nice little bluegill. All right.